really enjoy the experience of playing in front of an audience and interacting with an audience. I'm going to be performing some guitar classic repertoire, Darega to Johann Sebastian Bach. Also some arrangements of my own of Bach and Chopin.
Oh, it was delightful. I really enjoyed it, so I appreciated his bent toward the classical guitar.
The performance was excellent. I loved the programming. It's a good venue for having small concerts like this.
Bringing in this concert series was a way to do an all-ages program that would be beneficial to our community. It's free, open to all ages, and a great way to spend the afternoon together. Keep an eye out. Our library and concert series will be happening once a month from February until May. A big thank you to the Friends of the Torrance Library for making this possible. We can't wait to see you at the library.